I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, take a look around at all of my other videos. My specialty is Southern cooking, but I do not limit myself to that region. And pretty much my instructions can be followed by all levels of cooks. Sorry, I'm getting a little tongue-tied today. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Today we're making fried cornbread fritters. Now, from my understanding, fritters usually have something in them. These don't. These are just fried cornbread, but I just like the name fritters after them. What you're going to need is, I've got some cornmeal mix. Cornmeal mix already has the flour, baking powder, cornmeal, salt in it. So if you don't have it, you just need to mix cornmeal and flour about half and half, and maybe add some baking powder and some salt. I've got an onion that I put through this chopper because I want my onions really fine. I've got some half and half and an egg that I'm going to beat. I'm not making a whole lot of these, so I'm only going to put maybe about a cup and a half of cornmeal mix. Put the egg in there. Hold on, let me get another fork because I don't want to put that egg in it. What I meant was I don't want to put that fork in it that I had the egg in it. I'm not going to use all of these onions. I do love onions, but that might be a little bit much. And you can put buttermilk, regular milk, evaporated milk. I've got half and half. Some people put sugar in their cornbread. I don't. I am from the South. Although I do make honey cornbread, so can't say too much about that. Alright, I've got this mixed up. And what I've got over on the stove is I got some bacon grease going. You want to make sure your grease is hot enough so it doesn't sit there and absorb all the grease out of it. So I will meet y'all over at the stove. Okay, I've got, like I said, my bacon grease, and I did a little sample piece to see if it's ready. And you want to drop this by spoonfuls. Hold on, let me get that I want a little one. And what you want to do is make sure the insides are cooked, and you want to soften up those onions a little bit. It's not going to take long. Alright, I'm going to cook up the rest of these, and we will bring you back. Okay guys, everything is ready. We've got our from scratch baked beans. I think I want a couple of pieces of this Crispies. We've got our smoked sausage, barbecue smoked sausage that is. and our fried cornbread fritters. Whoops, that I'm going to make all over the place. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Comment below and share it out on your social media. Supper's ready. Bye.